Welcome to Essential English Knowledge. Today, we'll explore simple yet practical ways to improve your English vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your language skills, these tips are easy to follow and will help you communicate more effectively. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Read actively. Reading is an excellent way to discover new words in context. Choose materials that excite you, whether it's novels, online articles, or blogs. Keep a pen or highlighter handy and mark any unfamiliar words. Later, use a dictionary to understand their meanings, pronunciations, and usage. For example, if you encounter the word persevere, you'll learn it means to keep going despite challenges. Make reading a daily habit, and you'll naturally expand your vocabulary. As your personal vocabulary treasure chest. Write down new words along with their definitions, example sentences, and even synonyms. For instance, if you learn the word serendipity, note that it means a happy accident. Right. Finding this book was pure serendipity. Reviewing this word bank weekly helps reinforce your memory and adds variety to your language. Number 3. Practice using new words in your daily life. The more you use a word, the more it sticks in your memory. Try including it in conversations, emails, or journaling. For example, if you learn the word optimistic, say, "I feel optimistic about my future." You could even challenge yourself to use at least one new word a day while talking to friends or colleagues. Number 4. Immerse yourself in English media. Watch English shows, listen to podcasts, or even enjoy audiobooks. Subtitles are a great tool when you're starting out. Pause when you hear a new word and jot it down for later study. For example, hearing the word eloquent in a show might inspire you to use it by saying, "Her speech was truly eloquent." This constant exposure helps you learn naturally. Learning fun with word games. Games like Scrabble, crosswords, or even apps like Wordscapes can introduce you to new vocabulary in an enjoyable way. Set aside 10 minutes daily to play and challenge your mind. You'll be surprised how much you can learn while having fun. Day make it easy. For example, if today's word is meticulous, you can practice by saying, "I am meticulous when organizing my tasks." Using one new word repeatedly throughout the day ensures it becomes a permanent part of your vocabulary. vocabulary is a gradual process, but with consistency and these simple tips, you'll see amazing results. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey of learning. Thanks for watching Essential English Knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. See you next time.